So here we have the Ford Fiesta on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the bottom, we have the coolant temperature gauge, the fuel gauge, and it will show you what gear this car is in. So it's automatic. We are in park at the moment, of course. Above that, we have the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of the car. They are 18,451. We have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed there. So we've got a trip computer, vehicle settings, telephone, and audio menus as well, and then back around to the beginning again. And the buttons I was using to do that are just here, along with stereo and phone controls. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side with speed limiter just here. And then in the center, you'll find the main screen for the car. So this is where you pair your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And follow the instructions on your phone and, of course, on the screen here. When it comes to audio, we've got AM, FM and DAB radio, CD player and Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. This car also has two separate USB inputs. So if you plug devices into those, they will appear up here as further options for you. We have the main volume for the stereo just there. And then working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, the direction that the air is being distributed in, and the temperature, of course. When you're happy with those settings, that button will turn your air conditioning on. It's on when that light shows, so same button to turn it off again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you've set just there, of course. With a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. 12-volt charging socket, USB input, or one of the two USB inputs, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then these buttons here. So you can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows, and you can turn the traction control on and off from here as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.